Hi. Let's learn about numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Practice. 0, 0. 1 fox. 1 fox. 2 cats. 1, 2 cats. 3 rats. 1, 2, 3 rats. 4 bats. 1, 2, 3, 4 bats. 5 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds. 6 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dogs. 7 pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pigs. 8 cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cows. 9 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bears. 10 goats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 goats. Let's review. What number is this? 3. What number is this? 9. What number is this? 5. What number is this? 10. What number is this? 1. What number is this? 6. What number is this? 0. What number is this? 8. What number is this? 2. What number is this? 7. What number is this? 4. Let's review. How many pigs are there? 2. How many dogs are there? 10. How many bats are there? 5. How many goats are there? 1. How many birds are there? 8. How many rats are there? 3. How many cows are there? 6. How many bears are there? 4. How many cats are there? 7. How many foxes are there? 9. Last review. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Good job.
Bye!